Hi, today we are going to learn line 56, 4-part big star on the trumpet, and this video will focus on line C. So we're going to go through each line, I'll demonstrate, and then we'll put it all together. So we have our treble clef at the beginning. There's nothing in our key signature, so all notes are natural, no sharps or flats. And then we have our time signature. We are in 4/4 time. The top number tells you how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number tells you the value of the whole note. And we use that information to figure out the value of the other notes. So if we had a whole note, it would get 4 beats. Half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So the half notes get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, and half of 2 is 1. So the quarter notes get 1 beat. And finally, half of a quarter is an eighth. Half of 1 is half. Sometimes it's confusing. People might think half of 1 is 0 or another 1, and it's just not. It's half. And so when we have eighth notes, they're usually found beamed together in pairs or in groups of 4, but individually they will get half of a beat. And it takes 2 of them to equal the same amount of time as a single quarter note. So I'm going to walk through this first line. We start with 2 quarter note E's, first and second valve down. Then we go up to 2 quarter note G's, which is open. Then first valve quarter note F's. Then we add the middle valve for the half note E. Then we have a quarter note D, which is first and third, plus the third valve slide, if you can kick that out. Then we have eighth notes D to E, so bring that slide back in. Stay on E for the next 2 quarter notes. In the next measure, we have a quarter note F, quarter note D, again, kick that valve slide out, and then a half note E. So the first line is going to go like this. 1, 2, ready. And then we're going to move on to the next line C. So I'm scrolling down, and the next line C is just like the first line C. So no need to go over that. We've already learned it. So now we're going to scroll on to the next page, and the next line C is different. So we're going to go over that. We have 2 quarter note E's, 2 quarter note F's, and then a group of 4 eighth notes all beamed together. E, D, E, F, then a half note D. Then we start again with 2 quarter note E's, 2 quarter note F's, and then an E up to G, down to D, kick out that third valve slide. So this third line is going to go like this. 1, 2, ready. And finally, our fourth line C is just like the beginning, the first 2 line C's. So what we're going to do is go through all 4 lines, but instead of scrolling through while I'm playing, because I do not have the technology to make that happen, I'm going to play this line C twice because it's like the beginning. Then I'm going to pop up here to this line C and then come back down and play this line C on the last time through. I have my metronome set for 92 beats per minute, which is a bit faster than what we've been demonstrating, and that's okay. If you're able to keep up and play along, that's great. If you're not quite ready yet, pause the video and practice a little bit, and then come back and join me. But I'm going to play line C, and I almost forgot. I want to talk to you about form. So when we are thinking about form, we are thinking in terms of themes or ideas, and we use letter names to express those themes. So if the first idea is called the A theme or the A section, and then when it changes like it does here, we refer to it as the B theme or B section. The form for 4-part big star is AABA. So just something to think about, something to help you stay organized up here. But I'm going to go ahead and play through line C for 4-part big star. Here we go. 1, 2, ready? And that is it for line C of 4-part big star on the trumpet. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.